Starting to track your vehicle mileage mid-year and don't know what your mileage was on January 1st? No problem. The Quick Notes section of the spreadsheet has you covered. In your spreadsheet, click the Quick Notes tab. You can get a reasonable estimation one of two ways. Down here, you can use the easy quick method. It's easy, but a little mid on the accuracy, but still usable in a pinch. Enter in the approximate date you bought the car, let's say July 15th, 2018. If it was a used car, enter in the approximate mileage the car had when you bought it, say 70,000 kilometers. If it was a new car, you can leave it at 0. And enter in your current mileage here, say 120,000. Down here, you get what your approximate mileage per month has been and what your approximate mileage was on January 1st of the current year. Copy this number, switch to self-employed finances, go to the vehicle expenses if you haven't already got there, scroll over to the right and paste in the value for your January 1st mileage right here. The other method is going to be a little bit more difficult, but still very doable and a lot more accurate. It does require you having at least 2 oil change receipts where the kilometers were recorded, one from before January 1st of this year and one from after January 1st of this year. Take the mileage from the first receipt and put it here. In this example, it was 50,000 kilometers. Take the mileage from the second receipt and put it here. In the example, it's 59,000 kilometers. I count the number of months between the 2 invoices, September 1st to May 1st, so 8 full months. And I put that here, and then I count the months from the first receipt to January 1st, September 1st to January 1st, so 4 full months, and I put that here. And I get my approximate mileage for January 1st of this year. Copy this number, switch to self-employed finances, go to vehicle expenses, scroll over to the right, and paste in the value for January 1st mileage here. And that's it. That's a quick way to find your approximate mileage for January 1st of the current year. To get back to watching the series, check out the link in the description, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.